Last tutorial, we did a simple ponyo step by step. Today we are going to draw a ponyo with legs and arms. Esther is 5 years old and she did follow and complete this art project. I hope that you can enjoy it too.
Owl and the other owl. Then we do a little nose. It's just on this line, 2 dots here, middle of this line, the same line. And under this eye, here, point here to under this eye, middle of this eye, we do ponyos. Big mouth, smiley mouth. Just a little bit curve. Yeah, it's a straight line. Curve line here. And go out a cheek and go down. Little space from here. Start from here. Curvy line. Yeah, a cheek. Yeah, cheek little bit high. A curve line bow. Curly hair here. And another here on the top of the left brow until this side, and go this line. Here have a curly hair. Here, 1, 2, curly, just like that, like a letter W. Here the other hair, a little bit up of the similar hair. It's exactly follow. And there's another hair, upper. Yes, and we'll make it some movement here also. Yes, and here. Making it have some movement. And we go down with a little here. Okay, and here have the other ear. Here, side, down, belt. And this side, little curvy, down, belt. Yes, and this one is straight down. Curvy.
I never can speak about anymore.
Opposite, small upper curve. And there is a bottle lid, both sides. Both sides down. And yes, it's a little shoulder. Skirt, little puffy, like this. Little puffy. Good. And the other side, that's same. The shoulder.
A bit too. I do not like puffy cream, but I like puff cream. And just puff.
折怎么说 ？Let's have a little curved chubby arm.
It's
And
too chubby.
Here have a holder. And waist, skirt waist, short curved lines. Yeah, and 2 lines on the right. Beautiful. Now here have we string go up to the shoulders. This is water bottle. Connect with the water bottle. And also this side and the shoulder. Yeah, to here. Yes. And the other one just under this backpacks. Yeah. And from here, there's puffy skirt. Just the side of the water bottle. Yeah, puffy skirt. Yes, go back to here. And the other arm, a little bit short line here, and a curvy line here, and a hand holder. Curve, curve, and then the other side is the same. Make bucket holder. And yes, the oval. And outside here, making the other oval shape. And this here, the holder, have a round one with a little oval. And also this line, it's curvy line. Okay, you can do that way. And it's lying down, making bucket shape. And the bottom is curvy. Okay, and we make a skirt from this side coming down and through here. You can see. Yeah, it's through inside. And here we have wavy connecting this skirt just at the other side of the water bottle. Yes, the other layer of white skirt. And here a curvy and connecting the other wavy and the other. One line curvy down. There's a short line and a curvy down.
This is way too much curvy. Right?
The toes, let's do yes, and curvy, very choppy, round shape, and a toe, a foot toe, foot paper. Yeah, it's all same length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up to the knees. To the knees. Is the other curvy, and the last toe go up. way up.
Now we start to coloring. This time we use watercolor to coloring our ponyo.
Yes, don't forget, if you think this is too difficult, you could always pause the video or try it again.
We finished the coloring. The colors are so bright and beautiful. Now we start to do outline.
Let's start with the arm.
Thank you for joining us. Hope you had fun.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.